Line breeding family. Line breeding is where breeders frequently choose to make parents who have a common ancestor, but who are not as closely related as in close inbreeding. For example, not first-degree and second-degree relatives. The aim is generally to improve or maintain specific traits within the breed. What are the advantages of a line breeding system? With a properly conceived and managed line breeding system, it can be expected that after several generations that the overall quality of the offspring will be high and that they will be quite uniform. What is the importance of line breeding? Line breeding seeks to convey outstanding genetics from one generation to another while minimizing the transfer of undesirable traits. The benefits of line breeding. It preserves traits from the original sire or dam line for future generations. It magnifies these traits in a tactic known as breeding up or breeding the next generation even better than the last. What is the line breeding strategy? Line breeding is highly strategized inbreeding. It is breeding to close relatives in order to lock in desirable traits.